Only has 3 left.
Smile! Dito!
The left
One, two,
leads
smile!
the way.
Yan
We
po.
did it! We
Man,
hit
bagyo
5
mo eh.
bananas and took away 2. And now there are 3 left. And here's my $3.
Ebidensya.
Grabe.
Soko, crime.
Kuwan ba? Nagaling ako sa pulis pala.
Oo nga.
Did you bring your shopping bag? No, I'll just wear them, thank you. I'm a girl.
Dito ka kasi tumingin.
Cocaine yan, no? Nagsasabu ka!
The party's over because it's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
What time is it?
Huling-huli. Gumagawa ng shabu.
Hey, Toby, what did you get for lunch today? I got a can of baked
Sabog.
beans. What
Nahuhulog.
did you get, Gil? I got a can of green beans. What about you, Nani? I got a can of jumping beans. Hey, come back here, jumping beans. Jumping beans. That's ridiculous. I'm stacking oranges, just like they do at the supermarket. So,
Super, grabe ka
check it
Carla.
out. If you're really an expert, you can stack them really high, like this.